my name is Emily Natalia Guzman Copova. I'm a student in the Tech Milenio University, currently cursing my 5th semester in high school, and I'm going to present my evidence number 3. Important events during 1990, 2000, 2010, and 2020. Hubble Space Telescope launch, 1990. This telescope was launched into orbit the 24th of April of 1990. It was named after an American astronomer, Edwin P. Hubble. And according to Wild F 2020, Hubble takes sharp pictures of objects in the sky, such as planets, stars, and galaxies. Hubble has made more than 1 million observations. These include detailed pictures of the birth and death of stars, galaxies billions of light years away, and comet pieces crashing into Jupiter's atmosphere. Stock market crash, 2002. The stock market crash in 2002 meant a drastic drop in stock prices across the US, Canada, and continents like Asia and Europe. This happened mainly because of the 9/11 terrorist attack in 2001. Only the attacks resulted in approximately $40 billion in insurance losses, without counting any other losses. Advances in LGBTQ+ rights, 2017. During this decade, the advances in LGBTQ+ rights started to improve, specifically with the legalization of same-sex marriage in 18 different countries, including the United States of America, Germany, Australia, and many others. Australian bushfires, 2020. This was one of the most devastating wildfire seasons that the country has faced. This event burned a record of 47 million acres, and it was not only devastating for the wildlife but for the people as well. Describe the following terms. Globalization. It is the process by which organizations gain international influence. Terrorism is the unlawful use of force against a person or a property to intimidate a government, the civilian population, or any segment thereof, in furtherance of political or social objectives. Unipolar world. It refers to a distribution of power in which one country exercises more of the military, cultural, and economic influence in the world. Digital era. This era is the one that we are currently living. It is the 21st century shift from the Industrial Revolution to a new economic domination of information technology. Answer the following questions. Question A. Why did globalization emerge? According to Brooks 2008, the emergence of globalization was introduced to promote inherited wealth among all countries in the world. The United States has notably been identified as the leader in globalization after the World War II. Question B. In most cases, what caused the terrorist attacks of the 20th century? Mostly, there were so many because of the new technologies. This made it easier and more lethal to attack. The causes were mainly political. Question C. How does the end of the Cold War relate with the unipolar world? When the Cold War ended, the Soviet Union dissolved, which meant that now only one world power was left, the United States of America. That until now, it is still the same. And finally, question letter D. How has the digital era influenced today's society? As technology has advanced, the society has adapted. It affects many parts of our society, like our communication, mostly in a positive way. We now can communicate from across the world, although it can affect us in a negative way if we abuse of all this technology. Now, here you can see the bibliography. And that was all from my part. Thank you so much for your attention.